Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll start to learn how to import AutoCAD files into Autodesk 3ds Max. And the reason I'm researching on this is because sometimes in 3D Max it is really hard to draw a spline or a shape very accurately, but we can do that in AutoCAD. And also there is some geometry resources that are available on the website. They are AutoCAD files. So this time we will discover, can we just import AutoCAD files into 3D Max and make up our model using those base map. So the first step here, we need to have a AutoCAD file. This one is a site file I made for Dockland. The site is Dockland, and I have drawn all the streets, the landscape, and I add some building footprints onto this AutoCAD file. So now I will import this file into 3ds Max. Here we just need to click File, and then we need to select Import and link to AutoCAD. So by doing this, we could just go to the location of our file and then open it. So here we could change the settings, but I will keep it at default settings and just click on Attach this file. So now we will have our AutoCAD file that is shown in 3ds Max. So here, because I have put all the building footprints into different layers, so I can select them, select only one single footprint and generate the shape according to these splines I have already created in AutoCAD. So I just need to add extrude modifier, and then we will have we will have the shape of the building footprint. And we could also do this for all the other shapes in this CAD file. So now we have already created all the building footprints, and we can modify the footprints and build up the buildings according to these shapes. So this is the first way to import AutoCAD file into 3ds Max. We can also do it in another way, like so I will introduce it now. So first click on File, then Import, and choose Import. Then we have to find the location of our file. We find our CAD file and open it. So here we could change the settings. And we could also select the layers we want to import into Max. So if there is some layers that you don't want them to show in Max, you can just deselect them here. So now the CAD file has been already imported into our work scene. We could just separate them from the first one we've already imported as a link. And now I will introduce what is the differences between these two ways. So for the second method, we just import the AutoCAD file, which means if we did any modification on our original CAD file, those modifications won't appear into our 3D Max file. But for the first method, when we are using this AutoCAD link, it will build up a connection from the 3ds Max file between the 3ds Max file and the AutoCAD file. So if you have done any modification on the origin file in AutoCAD, this modification will also appear into your 3ds Max file. So basically, I would recommend the first method to import the files, because you don't need to redo everything after you change the original file. So this is today's tutorial. Thank you for watching.